Hi everyone, welcome again to another episode, and on this video we're gonna make chicken hamburgers. They are gonna be awesome, guys, very delicious. And remember to subscribe to the channel and to activate the bell so that you get notified of new videos, okay? So here are my famous chicken hamburgers. They are so easy to make. We will need about a pound of ground meat chicken, also about half of an onion which is chopped, about half a cup of breadcrumbs, a little bit of chopped parsley, and one if you can find a medium egg, one medium egg. Okay, to season our hamburgers we're gonna need garlic powder, pepper, and a little bit of salt. And this stuff right here is gonna be to make our hamburgers. Okay, so we have here a little bit of lettuce, we have the bread, we have a couple of other ingredients so that we can make our hamburgers as we like them. Okay, so this is gonna be so easy to make, and we'll start by adding a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt. All of these spices are gonna be to taste, so the way you like it. Okay, we're gonna add our chopped onion. We'll add also our chopped parsley, and also we're gonna add our whole egg. And the last ingredient we'll need is gonna be our unseasoned breadcrumbs. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up. I'm using some gloves because I don't like touching directly the meat, but if you just want to use your hand, it's okay. So this is our mixture. If you feel like it has too much water because of the egg, just add a little more of the breadcrumbs to fix your mix. And this is gonna be to make about 8 hamburgers. So I'm just gonna divide this meat into 8 different portions. So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna make some sort of like a small bowl with one of the portions. And as you can see here, I'm just using some plastic wrap to make our hamburgers. It's not difficult. Just take a plate that has a flat end, and just by squeezing it you will be able to make your hamburgers. As you can tell, it's not complicated. Just keep repeating the same process and just use some plastic to divide the meats after you squeeze them, because then they can stick together. So we don't want that. We just want to keep them separated. And just like this, guys, it's very simple. And after you have finished making all of these, you will have this result. It's very not hard at all. Anyone can make this. And here I have a griddle. I'm gonna heat it up, and I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil, not too much, cause chicken it's cooks fast. So whenever you have your griddle hot, just add the small hamburgers there, and as you can see, they just turn them around when you see that they are cooked. And they don't take long, guys. They take about 2 or 3 minutes per hamburger. So these are cooking in the griddle, and while they come out, I'm gonna toast my bread here in a griddle. I'm gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise, some lettuce, some tomatoes, some avocados, and here they are, the cooked hamburgers. I'm gonna add a little bit of quesillo, which is known here in Mexico, which is queso Oaxaca. If you live in the US, you can use mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella, grated monster cheese, and it's gonna be awesome. Or also you can use some cheddar cheese, whatever you like. I like to always add a slice of yellow cheese to my hamburgers, and that is it, guys. I mean, they are finished. They cook pretty fast, and you can serve them with whatever you like. mustard or ketchup, whatever you like to put in here. It's just up to you guys. If I was me, I would add a slice of bacon, and trust me guys, they are very delicious, very simple to make. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to share this video with your friends. That helps me a lot. And see you till the next video. Bye.